Good morning, everybody. I'm Meteorologist Shiveley from the National Weather Service. Just giving you a quick update on Tropical Storm Elsa because today is the day that it will be affecting most of West Central Florida. Right now, the radar at Key West is giving us a great look at Tropical Storm Elsa. You can see a very weak, if you want to call it, eye wall right there just to the west of Key West. And as we go throughout the day today, the track hasn't really changed too much from when we talked yesterday afternoon. Is expected to start moving more north than northeast as it goes throughout the day, making landfall somewhere in the Big Bend of Florida. Right now, wind speeds are around 60 miles an hour, moving around north-northwest at 12 miles an hour. But like I said, you're going to start seeing it north and then a more northeasterly turn as we go throughout the day today. But as of right now, still forecasted to stay a tropical storm. Now, when will you see these tropical storm force winds in the worst conditions? That's an excellent question. We're going to go to this time of arrival graphic. And you'll see for Southwest Florida, we're talking like the Fort Myers area, stuff like that. Somewhere between probably 2 and 8 p.m. So I would say in the afternoon hours is when you start seeing those conditions start to deteriorate. The I-4 corridor, we're talking about Tampa, St. Pete area, stuff like that. It's going to be more in the late evening, early overnight hours. So sometime probably after 8 p.m. is when you're really going to start seeing those winds pick up. And then as we go through that Big Bend area, Levy County, Citrus, areas like that, it's going to be really after midnight is when you'll start seeing those winds start to pick up. Now, once those conditions start to deteriorate, once we see those winds start to pick up, it's probably going to be 9 to 12 hours after that before you start seeing those conditions start to improve. Let's go over a couple of the watches and warnings we have across the area. We do have an aerial flood watch for all of West Central Florida. We have these heavy rain come in. So we could see totals anywhere between 2 to 5 inches of rain. Obviously, we could have some isolated higher totals in there. We have a storm surge warning across the coast. We could see anywhere between 3 to 5 feet of storm surge as the system starts pushing north. Also, we do have our tropical storm warnings, which is all of our coastal counties have it. Now, inland parts of Lee County down here, those areas are just under a tropical storm watch right now, and that's because the system is forecast to be far enough away that we don't think the inland areas of those southwestern counties are going to see tropical storm force winds, but we do have it along the coast, and then all of our other counties, Sarasota north, and then Sumter is the only inland county that we have a tropical storm warning for. Since this thing is a very strong tropical storm, and it's only going to take another 10 to 15 miles per hour for this thing to officially become a hurricane, we do have a hurricane watch in effect for most of our Gulf waters and also Pinellas North right along the coast. There is a small potential this thing could become a hurricane. If it is, it would be a very weak hurricane. So we're talking the difference, of 60 to 70 miles an hour to 75. So it won't really change what we're expecting as much. It would just change the name of the system from tropical storm to hurricane. But we do have that out for our coastal waterways and then Pinellas North along the coast for that hurricane watch. And that's really it for now. We'll try to keep you updated throughout the day, so make sure to continue to follow us on Facebook and Twitter.